Alright, y'all. I hope I ain't got no food on my face. I hope my lace is laid and all that. So, I have trouble getting my eyebrows to lay down. So, I'm finna put this Murray beeswax on it, sis. And we finna see what happens. I mean, I just need them to lay down. Oh, yes. This is gonna do the job. This is about to do. Where's my eyebrow brush? Once I added the beeswax, girl, the highlight. These brows are about to be flaky. Fleeky, fleeky. And I cannot wait. But let me hurry up. So I'm going to fill them in. More so toward the end. Like that. And I might just do a little something like that. But try to like fill that in right there. So it won't look as dark, like, I guess that's the word. I mean, it won't look as light, like. Alright, so I'm for it. I'm all for it. Let me wipe the excess from under my brow like that. And like that. Now we finna add this on. But this I like to only put a certain place, and I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Only where that arch is right there. And then the rest of my brow, I'm gonna put this on it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some Vaseline, old school Vaseline, on my eye. I'm gonna grab this concealer and I'm just gonna pat it on my eyelid. Alright, y'all, so now I'm just going to blend everything out with this flat brush. We is not finna spend all day on these eyebrows. Okay. We not. We know, like, I'm not too good at eyebrows. I just know how to do enough to get by. So it's all gonna come together at the end. Shaboom, shabam. Alright, y'all, so what I'm gonna do is pick some colors that I never use and use them. Okay. So I never use, and then, okay, close your eyes. And we gonna work with this color. Boom, let's get it. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Ooh, come through, Juvia. This is my Juvia's Place palette too. Ooh, maybe I shouldn't apply it with this brush. It's okay. Apply it on like that. And then with my blending brush, bruh, brush, which is not really a blending brush. It's like an application brush, but, and I'm gonna blend this out. Like that, girl. Yes, ma'am. We're gonna use glitter too, y'all. We're gonna go in with our glitter. And y'all, go to my site because everything is $5. I'm doing a sale. Everything is $5. So go ahead and support a black business, and I greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate it. Okay, I got clothes on there. That's $5. Like, it's like a blowout sale. So I got clothes on there. That's $5. And what else I got? Clothes, lashes, accessories, all kind of stuff like that. And I'm just here just blending out the edges, because y'all know I love to blend out the edges. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a cut crease. The cut crease gonna be a pink with a this the pink I want to use. Oh, this pink, this is gonna be bomb. Go ahead and send this video to y'all mama, your auntie, your uncle, your cousins. Send it to everybody, because this gonna be cute. Okay. Okay. So, and I'm using the lighter concealer because I really want this to pop, like, for real, like. Oh, same palette. I'm just getting this pink, and I'm gonna pat it on my lid like so, and add the glitter. So, okay, so I'm just gonna outline my crease, or where the line is. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my glitter. This glitter is called Eye Bling Liquid Liner, and this is by RK. RK Kiss. I think it's Ruby Kiss. I think that's what the RK stand for, but I'm gonna just take this and go over what I did. Alright, y'all, so this is a little messy, so I'm gonna have to get creative. So I'm just putting little dots on my lid. Yeah, I don't know what we doing. Alright, y'all, so I noticed on my Instagram, this is looking just like a look that I did recently. So I'm about to, I can't change the glitter, so I'm about to try to make this a nice black. Alright, y'all. So this black that I'm using, it's from this smoky palette that I have in my hand. And yeah, this is just the jet black that they have. And I'm just going to apply that and then blend out the edges. See, that's already giving different vibes. See, that's what we like. That's what we like. That's what we like. Alright, y'all. So after I got the eyeshadow as dark as I wanted it, I just went ahead and did my foundation, highlighter, contour, and I'm just blending everything together like this. And in a minute, you will see me use my setting powder just to kind of set my contour. And I'm still like working with the contour and highlight, trying to get the look that I want. I do think I'm getting closer to it, so yeah, practice makes perfect. All right, y'all. So I'm just finishing up the look. I did let this powder sit on my face for like 3 minutes, and then I went ahead and brushed it off. And yeah, it was real cute, real easy. The wig I have on is sitting sideways, y'all. I just threw it on. I've been having a rough week, okay? Anyways, y'all, here she go. Here she is. Yes, this look turned out so cute. I was really shocked I was able to turn it into like a darker look. But this will look really pretty for like with like a black dress, it would make the pink pop really nice. But this is the look, y'all. If y'all like this wig, follow me on Instagram at Slayed by Tamia. And, let me know you like it. And, I'll get you a wig because I do sell wigs now. But, anyways, I love you guys. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.